6 strategies on how to make money on Pinterest in 2023. Hello friends, today I want to show you best 7 strategies to earn more money on your Pinterest account. Pinterest still has 431 million users across the globe. And that audience is consuming almost 1 billion videos per day on Pinterest. The revenue opportunities for businesses and influencers are undeniable. Either you are a blogger, influencer, or e-commerce business. There are several different ways to make money on Pinterest, and which tactics work all depends on your business and your strategy. Before we get started, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Number 1. Drive traffic with ads. You have to spend money to make money sometimes. Organic reach can only accomplish so much. For added reach, throw some dollars behind your pins. Promoted pins can be optimized to meet different goals like increasing traffic or growing your Pinterest followers. Promoted pins look just like regular pins, and they are placed in your target audience's home feed, category feeds, and search results. There are also different ad types available like shopping ads which are pulled directly from your product catalog. Number 2. Let shoppers purchase directly on Pinterest. For brands with an e-commerce offering, Pinterest is a natural opportunity to drive traffic and sales. Use pins to showcase your goods and direct followers back to your website to shop, or use Pinterest shopping tool to purchase directly on the app. The in-app checkout is only available to a limited number of merchants. If you do qualify, you're in for a real treat. Pinners can discover your product and buy it without having to leave Pinterest. This streamlines the customer journey and makes it easier than ever to purchase products on Pinterest. Once you're approved for the in-app checkout feature, your product pins will have a buy button appear below the pins. When someone clicks on it, they'll be able to pick product details like size or color. Then they'll get redirected to a checkout page within the Pinterest app. Even if you don't have the in-app checkout feature available to you yet, you can still create eye-catching pins and direct viewers to visit your website to buy the product. Number 3. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing isn't just reserved for blogs. You can also use your direct affiliate links to connect to pins. By sharing your affiliate links on Pinterest, you can earn a commission on sales if pinners make a purchase. Of course, you can also direct people to affiliate-related content, like your blog posts or videos, to warm up your audience before they purchase. There are some tips and tricks to becoming a successful affiliate. You can create pins around a central theme. This helps pinners discover an overall vision and decide if they want the pinned items to replicate the aesthetics or ideas. You also have to express why your affiliate links or pins are important, as well as related keywords and hashtags for Pinterest to use in search results by writing thoughtful description. Number 4. Partner with a brand. Influencers and brands go together like peanut butter and jelly. That's why Pinterest has a paid partnership tool to make it easier for influencers and brands to collaborate and provide transparency about their partnership. Here's how it works. Make an idea pin in the app. Add the paid partnership label by tagging the brand. Then they approve the tag. And voila! Your pin now has the brand name listed on the bottom. Brands will pay you to create content and share it with your audience. They may also decide to use the pin as part of their ad campaign. And yes, there are plenty of brands looking to work with creators. For example, Gatorade used the paid partnership tool to collaborate with Pinterest's most popular fitness creators. Then they used the content for their ad campaign. It led to significant results for Gatorade. The campaign has over 14 million views. Number 5. Join the Pinterest Creator Fund. The Pinterest Creator Fund comes with quite a few perks if you get accepted. What is the Pinterest Creator Fund exactly? It's a 5-week program where content creators learn about creating inspiring Pinterest content, gain industry insights from experts, and receive potential brand sponsorships. It also comes in the form of a cash grant, ad credits, and an equipment stipend. The Creator Fund is a new initiative focused on the growth and success of underrepresented creators, people of color, people with disabilities, and members of the LGBTQ+ community. Every quarter, Pinterest announces a new fund cycle with a themed topic. The first 2022 cycle was focused on fashion and beauty. Future cycles will have topics on food, lifestyle, and wellness. It's currently only available to underrepresented US creators, but Pinterest has expressed a desire to open the fund to underrepresented creators in Brazil and the UK in 2022. Number 6. Join the Pinterest Creator Rewards Program. You don't qualify for the Creator Fund? Then see if Creator Rewards is a better fit for you. Creator Rewards provides a program for creators to earn money by creating original idea pins based on Pinterest prompts. According to Pinterest, every prompt will outline specific engagement goals, like getting a certain number of saves, reactions, or takes on your idea pin. When you meet the engagement goals, you'll see rewards in your bank account the following month. Pinterest is still in the testing phase of the Creator Rewards program, so a limited number of people qualify to apply. To be eligible, you must be 18 years of age or older, located in the United States or the District of Columbia, have at least 250 followers, and also must have created at least 3 idea pins in the last 30 days. You'll need to check the Pinterest app on your mobile device to see a Get Started button to apply. If you don't meet the qualifications, then you won't see this option. In conclusion, it's never too late to start working on a Pinterest marketing strategy. There are a variety of ways to earn income via Pinterest, as you just read, but all ultimately rely on the power of an audience and consistency. That will be all today. Please like and subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching.